For this lesson, you need to open the sample file inventory1 from your sample files folder. When data is arranged in this way, we refer to it as a range. And the first row in the range is the range header row. I'm now going to add filter buttons to the range header row. And to do that, I first click anywhere in the range to let Excel know which range I'm dealing with, and then I click Data on the ribbon, and in the Sort and Filter group, I click the Filter button. And you can see that small drop-down arrows have now appeared in the bottom right-hand corner of each of the cells in the range header row. I'm now going to use one of these filters to display products that are in the seafood category. To do that, I click the drop-down arrow to the right of Category in cell C1, and I think I'll make this dialog a little larger, so that I can see all of the categories. To do that, I click the bottom right corner and drag, and you can see that at the moment I'm showing all categories, but I'll uncheck the Select All checkbox, and then I'll check the Seafood checkbox, and when I click OK, only goods in the seafood category are shown. Now I'll apply a second filter condition to show items in the seafood category with an inventory value that's greater than 1,000. To do that, I'll click the drop-down arrow in the bottom right corner of cell F1, and then select Number Filters and Greater Than. And because I want values that are greater than 1,000, I'll type the value 1,000 into the box. When I click the OK button, you can see that now I'm seeing items in the seafood category that have a value of more than 1,000. Notice that the filter buttons next to Category in cell C1 and Value in cell F1 have changed to show that a filter condition is in effect. Notice also that the row numbers along the left of the worksheet are now shaded blue and are no longer sequential. Now I'm going to remove the filter condition from the range. To do that, once again I click inside the range just to let Excel know which range I'm referring to, and it's the Data tab on the ribbon in the Sort and Filter group. Notice that the Filter button is now lit up. If I click the Filter button, I remove the filter from the range. There's another way of applying a filter that can be a great time saver, and this is called the Filter by Selection feature. Supposing I want to filter down to the Dairy Products category. I right-click on any cell containing Dairy Products, and then Filter and Filter by Selected Cell's Value from the shortcut menu. And I've now filtered down to Dairy Products. And if I wanted to apply a second filter condition, for example, filter down to Suppliers Norsk Meria for category Dairy Products, I could right-click on any cell with Norsk Meria as a supplier, and then filter, and once again filter by selected cell's value. And I'm now only seeing products supplied by Norsk Meria that are in the category Dairy Products. Let's remove the filter from the range again now, and that's the Data tab on the ribbon, and in the Sort and Filter group, I click the Filter button, which is currently lit up to show that a filter is in effect. There's no need to save this workbook, as we haven't changed anything. And you've now completed Lesson 1-2, Apply a Simple Filter to a Range.